Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back to the channel Mathematics by Larry Panjwani. Today topic is recurring decimal to fraction. So we'll see how to convert recurring decimal numbers to fraction. This topic is part of IGCSE course, but it's recently added in O level course as well. So very easy topic, just need to understand the tricks and how to convert the recurring decimal to fraction. So we know what is recurring number. Recurring means repeating numbers. Okay, so for example, I'm giving example. We have done fraction decimal in the previous lecture. So for example, I have 1 divided by 9. So if 9 1, so it will become 0 point, so it will become 9 1s are 9 and it 1 remaining, and again we have 0, 9 1s are 9, so on. The answer will be 0.1 and so on. So the recurring number is 1 is repeating again and again. So this is what we have done in the previous class as well, and we understand the basic concept of recurring. So right now we need to understand how to convert the recurring decimal to fraction. As this topic is recently added in O level, so there are no past paper in O level. There is no question in O level past papers, but yes, we have a IGCSE past papers. You will get the question from the IGCSE past paper, so we will follow that. So the first question, we will do one simple question and understand the concept how to convert a recurring decimal number into fraction. So the question number 1, the question will always come that write the recurring decimal as a fraction, show all your working. This is what you will get, or you will get write the recurring decimal as a fraction, show all your working, and give your answer in the simplest form. So these two type of question you will get, and you have to convert into fraction and you have to simplify that as well. For example, the question is 2.15, and you can see I put dot on the top of the 5. This dot mean the recurring number is 5, or I can write like this as well, 2.15, and I will put bar here. So both have a same meaning, that 5 is a recurring number. This means 5 is repeating. The 2.15 mean, and the dot mean that the 5 is the recurring number. Okay, so now how to solve this question? There are very basic concept you need to understand. That first, what you need to do, put the number, or we can say let the number x, let x equal to the number x equal to 2.15. Now what you need to understand, listen to me very carefully. So this is, we have a decimal point. After one step the recurring number is started. Okay, after one step I can give it start. For example, I will give start. So after decimal, after one digit, you have to see the number after decimal. After one digit the recurring number is starting. Okay, and if I talk about the end, after two digit the recurring number end. So I will write 1 in the starting and I will write 2 at the ending. So now I am explaining you again. First see the decimal number and then see when the recurring number is starting. How many, after how many digit the recurring number is starting. So you can see that after one digit the recurring number is starting. So I write 1. After two digit the recurring number ending. Just remember this. Okay. Now in start you see that after one digit the recurring number starts. So what you need to do, just multiply this equation by 10. So it will become 10x 21.5. When you multiply this by 10 it will become 10x and this will become 21.5. So we know that dot on the 5 mean it's recurring, so I can write like this as well, 5 5 5 and so on. So we have to remove this dot. Now talk about ending. The recurring number end after two digits. So now I will multiply this by 100, 100x, and this will become 215.5555 and so on. Now what you need to do, I hope everything is clear in this step. Now we have just one step away. Now what we need to do, just simply first write the endpoint, that is 100 x is equal to 215.555 so on, and then start 10x is equal to 21.555 and so on. Now just subtract these two values. When you subtract these two values, now 100 minus 10 will become 90x equal to, now listen to me carefully, 215. Before decimal we have 215 and 21. When we subtract 215 by 21, then we will get 194. So I will write 194, and after decimal you can see 555, so it will become 0, so you don't need to write like, so it will become 194. So the value will become 194. Now 90 will goes to other side and divide, so 194 divided by 90, that's your answer. Now simplification, you have to do simplification if it's possible. So 2 9s are and 2 7s are 245 are. So the final answer will be 97 upon 45. 97 upon 45 is the final answer. You can check, basically this topic will come in paper 1 for O level and paper 2 and for IGCSE, so calculator is not allowed, but right now you can check from the calculator as well you are getting the correct answer or not. So this is a step to solve the question and convert recurring decimal into fraction. I hope everything is clear. We will do 2-3 more questions, so you will get to know the concept again and you will get to know the basic step. Now one more question we are doing. The next question I have 0.47 and the recurring number is 7. Again same step. First we need to understand the starting point. After one digit, so the recurring number start, and after two digit its end. So first I will let x equal to 0.4777 and so on. Now first I will write the end value, so I will multiply by 100 because after 2 digit it end, so it will become 0.477, so it will become 047.7777 and so on. Then we will write the start, so after one digit the recurring number started, so we will multiply by 10, so it will become 10x, and this will become 4.7777 and so on. Okay, so I hope everything is clear in this concept, there is no confusion. So now what we need to do, we need to subtract these two values. Again 100 minus 10 will become 90, and 47 minus 4 will be 43, and you can see 7 7 7 7, they all subtract, it will become 0, so you don't need to write them. So now 43 divided by 90, so 43 is basically a prime number, so 43 upon 90 is your final answer. I hope everything is clear in this question. If you have confusion, you can just comment me, I will try to explain you again if any question or any confusion you have in this concept. That's a very easy concept on this. Okay, now we will do more questions and we will see different types of questions. Now the next question I have 1.341, and now you can see the recurring number is 41. Now the recurring number is 41. Now what we need to do, again the concept is same. After one step the recurring number started, after 3 step the recurring number and. Now first we let x equal to 1.341 41 41 and so on. Now first I will write ending, and you can see that after 3 digit it's ending, so I will multiply by 1000, so I will multiply the equation by 1000 right now. So this will become 1000x, 1000x will be equal to 1341.414141 and so on. and in starting is start after one digit, so again I will multiply by 10, so it will become 10x is equal to 13.414141 and so on. Now we need to subtract this, so we have to subtract this. This will become 990. Now 1341, now you can see this number 1341 minus 13 will become 1328. Now 990 will goes to other side and it will divide. Now if the simplification is possible, then we have to simplify. Remember that. Okay, simplification is very important for this. So I will do from 6 table 6 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 and 2 4s are, then 2 4s are, 2 9s are and 2 5s are. So the final answer will be 664 divided by 495. So that's how we can do this question. I hope everything is clear in this question, and this is what we have, and we will do one more question and then we will end the class. I hope everything is clear in this, and as I told you, if there is any question related to any topic you are facing difficulty of solving, I have just shared my email address in the description. What you need to do, just send me the email with the picture of the question and your name. Inshallah I will make a separate video for the solution of that question, and I will inshallah tag you, and I will remail you again that the video has been made for the solution of that question. Okay, now come back to the topic. We will do one more question, then we will end the class. For example, the question we have, fourth question, 2.145. As I told you, in O level, this topic is recently added, so there is no past paper in O level. You will get no question related to this recurring decimal as a fraction in the past paper O level, but I have picked the question from the IGCSE mathematics, and as I told you previously, we have done fraction, decimal, and we have done types of number as well, and we have done that past paper question as well related to O level and IGCSE both. So these questions that I am doing in this class are past paper questions. Okay, and I'm explaining the concept as well with that. Okay, now again what we need to do, you can see that maybe I will change something in this question. For example, I will put bar here now, 2.145. now 1 2, so it will take 2 steps to start the recurring number and 3 steps to end the recurring number. Now very interesting question right now. So the recurring number start after 2 digit and recurring number end after 3 digits. Okay, so first I will write ending. So first we have to make the question latex, 2.14555 and so on. Now and now after 3 digit the recurring number ending, so we have to multiply by 1000. It will become 1000 x. This will become 2.14555. so it will become, we have now ending is after 2 digit, so we have to multiply by 100. So this will become 100x is equal to 214.5555 and so on. Now we need to subtract. So 1000 minus 100 will be 900. And this will become, we have, so when 2145 minus 214, so we will get 1931.000. So now what we need to do, 1931 divided by 900. Now we need to see if there any simplification possible, so we have to simplify. I think there is no simplification possible in this question, so this will be your final answer. So I hope everything is clear in this question, there is no confusion. So I hope the concept is clear. So remember that O level students, this type of question will come in your paper in paper number 1, and for paper 2 for the IGCSE, and it will come, surely come, because it's a new topic. It will come in your paper, and it will give you 2 to 4, maybe 2 marks question will come in your paper. So I hope everything is clear. Inshallah, in next video we will start new topic. Allah Hafiz.